Mama wakwaba wofreme Adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news.
I think quickly no. You share how you able to streamline things, especially in some kika. We should take a cue from near AC or presidential election, so that I don't know how I able to me are finding a way to streamline the campaign, because ya nyanisa na identity na obi koka say meet ya baba na baba also want to respond, and then the supporters also want to respond. One share we destroy the constituency before time. I think the election committee and the national party should also look into this. You're taking a cue from some of the things that happened in the presidential election. Now, you're streamline guidelines now. You're call parliamentary elections. Okay. So that there are certain pronouncements. There are certain who compare you should be totally disqualified from the election. So that, and yes, we are gagging people not to talk, but there should be a measure. Now, unkofa and sanko can't be more. Because you see, one thing about human beings, who can't send to be nation and won't forgive you that. And there is bit maybe in government, we can't run away from the fact that there is a party before we need to find a way. Kasapa, Kasade, and bringing everybody on board. Okay. So that going forward, we can have that united MPP by February. When your name say everything is settled.
May one question for you. One regional, me personally, na me expect say the best supported Dr. Bawumia was Voltarians, because all along I quite say minority tribes in the party no, and so they be more complaining about I can. So once Dr. Bawumia is also coming from of MPP, a minority, no, people thought say the voter and then the northern is going to stand behind Bawumia family. But Olusu voter region, what happened?
Yeah, voter region is one of the strongholds of Bawumia. Except that the results no.
You are not
Voltarians like Bawumia. The voter MPP loves Bawumia.
But ensure results.
And show results because of some factors I will not be able to put all out here now. Because as part of the healing process, and maybe I never said the Kotoa Bonte, so that it will degenerate into other things. But within the party, from national, even from Bawumia's own camp, name the problems in the voter region. To me, I saw unknown them, and I come and results number. What I can say is that there was a protest from the people, but not against Bawumia. And Bawumia as a person doesn't have problem in the voter region. It is an internal issue, and I bring it out that result just to show a sign. It happens across, and you're only voter region. Just unfortunate that the entire region went that way. A defeat to Bawumia, but I can tell you, where I sit now, it is not a vote against Bawumia as I say.
Because people are concerned, say, it shows, say, as a, you are not supporting your own in quotation, and you voter region might not support Bawumia in the upcoming election.
I think that what we need to do, the leader and his team, and then the national party need to do, and he said they need to listen more. They need to listen more, and they need to take consensus into consideration. Because you see, all like before, Obibe to me abejina ka say, "Wow, media, me, media." What I say is what they do. See, it doesn't happen like that. Obi either Babaka, Papa say, nobody want to be working there. I say every day on OTH. Everybody want to come forward. Everybody wants to come into the limelight. What am I saying? Our people need to listen more and act on what they hear. Information management. Now, information about me a data man. And I know say people around him don't joke with data. When you take the likes of Dr. Augustine Blake, a very tough guys, they don't joke.
There were 7 constituencies. 7, NDC were 4, there were 3. Bakukrano, internal wranglers, Nema Lusu Salgano, Salga South. nti anka your 4 more 3 and internal wranglers and my lusui so baby Mahama free away gonja ni no gonja land no hokra de gonja fon kwa na oho your 3 seats more 4
okay.
Baby Bawumia free northeast na your ba kope that is Nalerugu Gambaga and unkwa baby ajali my MP no na NDC 5 your 1 say your 4 omo 2 na Nalerugu Gambaga can the omo no because and also internal wrangling ema ye lusu na Nalerugu Gambaga na
safe seat me
my no eti ene aka yoyo ene Nalerugu Gambaga ene NDC yoyo so ye baby a bugri na bu free ni nua kuma na MP but NDC
ni
okay what I say so ene all things being equal
no
at least you beat me anya 5 on bell 1 but we already mu say the Bawumia ba
beat me 6
6 ni nya 0
say homo e ho ye 7 na 6 okay
nti you 4
and no 2
and no 2 and over Mother North regional 8 no mo 9 or 9
e ho chimpe
yes eti ya fa enkurase ni nyina it's just interested and na yaro still to Tamale into Tamale South Sanerugu Savulugu kra ya jida no and also omasan agi enti omaba enfinfin na yaye obeka se MPs no popular votes so to say ohwe popular votes na Aliyu Mahama running mate no President Kufuor say ka said not spena sempa na 34% of the northern votes 34.2%
and then for President Kufuor.
In 2008 Dr. Bawumia by 38.1%. The last elections and 45%. 45. Where running mate no 45%. It NDC 54%. It Enochra will say Obia will name all these statistics. And 10 bia zongo for beto na do be 20% biano. You winning elections Ghana. The year 2000 was the same. 2016 crowd Zungu MI bear 26% of the votes. The year 26% the gap of over 1 million votes. And Ochra will say so Obia onim all these statistics now what na say na waye ho adwuma especially waye NDC nia yembe hihye pa because there's no intellectual community am beto ama NDC for hwe o de be hwe be NDC for wini omo wini university bi ada university bi eni ho omo wini da tertiary institution bi eni ho a omo ebetimi awini eno kire se NDC for ehu se there is a problem me say
in fact I think 2016 saying 73 polling stations the water sharing institutions no winning only 3 MPP winning 72
yes
MPP winning 69 NDC winning 3
yes so eno kire say baby a munya omu vote no slums zongos baby aye yeso ya adwuma ozongo ene asan kofa zongo ni aba nti se okofa dama na okoye campaigner Dr. Bawumia ekofa dama baby a national chief imam seat ewo na okoye campaigner Dr. Bawumia beka se yenkoye campaign ali chief imam kra beka se yenkoye campaign ewo sa no sharubutu sports complex no ye the Zango development fund ene ye ho astrotef ene ye ho enti eno no ko gina ye astrotef na ye campaign Mahama ba ono so bekwa ko gina astrotef no so aye campaign ya ka say ye na ebisi ha
enti sanka MPP amanka ba na ejina tachim
anka de ejina tachim ana your friends you futuru that's very important it is some George and some na work no ye betete de chance
okay
minim say ye betete de chance because almost say nipa no initially onye kremu papa meboa essence asofo invite na
okwa sorry dem
it was a vice president of Ghana it invite na